Hey there, if you've noticed that your LG TV is missing the AirPlay icon, let's get it back. First off, let's check where it should be. Press the Home Hub button. Here, just below mobile, we should have the AirPlay icon, but as you can see, it's not there. So what we'll do is press and hold the settings button. This will bring up the main settings window. Next, we go to General. From here, we go across and head down this list until you get to System. Once there, go across. And here we go down 1 to Location, across. Now, here's a key point. If we go down to LG Services Country and you see Others, we want to change this. So go across. And you want to select your region or just set automatically. I'll set automatically. It's going to reboot the TV and we'll have to agree to the services once more. So let's click Yes. Okay, back at the home screen. Let's press that Home Hub button again. And right there, you can see that AirPlay has returned. It's also asking for you to agree to some user agreements. If we just click on that, the key ones to agree to are the first 2. As you can see, it's a different language here due to the region. However, you should be able to select the first 2. You can select the others. These 2 are the essential ones. Agree. Now you'll be able to use your AirPlay and connect your device to your LG Smart TV. So I hope that's helped, and please give the video a thumbs up if it has. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you a great day ahead.